Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew who I call my subbies, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time. Hey girl, hey guy, I'm Desiree Marie and I do lock videos. I talk about my locks all the time, practically every day now. I've been here from the very beginning of my lock journey, from when I started with the braid locks and then switched it over to the 2-strand twist, up until this very moment, and I'm almost locked 3 years. 3 years would be in August, so yay! But I love coming on camera and testing things out. I love experimenting with my hair, experimenting new products and new things with my hair. I show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you get a full vision of what my journey looks like. So if you're interested in being inspired, definitely do hit the subscribe button, because I upload pretty much every day now. So you're always guaranteed something fun, fresh, and new here on this channel every day. It's free, you know, to subscribe. So join the crew and subscribe. But thank you guys to clicking on yet another video. Today I want to kind of answer one of you guys' questions. I've been meaning to come back with a video like this, just giving you guys an update on what's been going on with my hair color. But the question that I saw a subscriber leave really led me to do this video. So yes, so I want to talk about my hair color. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while now, you know that in January, I think it was the New Year's, I decided to try something different. I decided to go and purchase black hair dye. I wanted to do something new with my hair. I was just tired of seeing my hair looking ashy brown. Ashy brown is my my natural color. I have ashy brown and kind of golden highlights here and there, but I wanted to do something different. I love blonde hair, but I know that blonde hair color would be like the death of my locks, and I didn't want to do that. I really love hair color. I love blonde. I really do, but I realized that I needed to do something different. I had blonde hair when I was loose natural. I dyed it blonde, and so I had like a honey blonde, and my hair grew out, so it looked really nice with the roots and the honey blondes grown out. I loved it. It really gave me character. It really showed my personality. I like to be fun, fresh, hip, you know, colorful. I love colors. But I realized very shortly after dyeing my hair blonde that my hair could not take it. Because it has ammonia, it started to strip my hair. I wasn't doing, you know, many deep conditioning treatments as I should have. I was just lazy with my natural hair. So I knew from there, from thinking about what I did to my hair before with my locks, it's a different ball game. Like right now, I'm trying to keep my hair in its healthiest condition possible. I don't want to do anything that will compromise my hair, you know, because it's been a while since my hair has looked like this, and I want to do my best to keep it as, you know, cool as possible. So I decided to try black hair dye, also because my skin tone, I feel like it looks a lot better with the blonde hair that I had before. I just look like light bright, like whoo, my skin is already kind of, you know, bright, and so that blonde hair just, I don't know, I mean, I love it, but it just made me stand out, like yeah. So I like black because it looks more, there's something about black that just has a strength, and I love it. And I feel like black really holds a style a lot nicer than ashy brown, which is my natural hair color. So I got the Dark and Lovely black hair dye, and my mom actually did it on camera. I have a whole video on that, so if you're interested in seeing how my hair, you know, we dyed my hair, the whole entire process, I have it right up here. But yeah, my mom had applied the hair dye to my hair, and I wanted to start the new year off fresh and do something different, something fun. So the black hair was awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. At first I was a little scared to do jet black, but shortly after doing that, I realized it looks like me. It looks like something that I want in my life. You know what I'm saying? So So the jet black was amazing. It did not bleed at all. I loved it. My hair, like with black hair color, your hair also looks moisturized, like a lot more moisturized than it is. My ashy brown hair, now I'm not talking about anybody else's ashy brown hair. If you have ashy brown hair, I'm not talking about you, sis. I'm talking about me. My ashy brown hair just always looked kind of dry. Like I would moisturize it, I would do the most, put the oils in, seal it, all this stuff, but for some reason it just did not look moisturized. And I know that with Locs, like, you know, the sunlight reflecting on our hair, it tends to look on the drier side even though it is moisturized. But my color, my natural brown hair color just was not helping. But with black hair, it looked more moisturized, juicy. Oh, I just love it. But here is an update basically on how that's been going. So like I said, it did not bleed. The color did not bleed. I love the color. It did not, you know, okay, so if I was just chilling, like say on a couch or whatever, on my pillow, it didn't bleed. There was a few black spots on my pillow, so maybe it did bleed a little bit, but it wasn't bad. Like when I would wear, say, a shirt, a white shirt, it would not bleed onto that. I know my mom, who has dyed her hair burgundy or red, she had issues with the red hair bleeding, and in the shower it would always come out. It would always come out in little traces on the tub. But with my black hair, it did not do that, so thank God for that. It did not strip my hair. In fact, it made my hair look even more luscious and just moisturized. And when I would moisturize it on top of that black hair, sis, I was like, my locks was popping, okay? Nobody could tell me nothing. My locks was popping. So here we are today, and the hair color has faded out. I thought it would stay permanent, seeing that it's a permanent hair color that I've used. It did not stay as long as I wanted it to, and maybe 3 months later, I started seeing the golden highlights that I have in my hair start to pop out. I'm like, wait, what's going on? And I noticed this one day when I was in the sun. I think I looked at a mirror, and you know, I was outside and I looked in the mirror. I forgot which mirror. It probably was a car mirror or something like that. My mom's rear view mirror. I'm looking at my hair and I realized it's brown again. Like, it does not look black. So, I mean, I guess that's what it, you know, it comes with the territory. When you use, you know, hair color, it's obviously not going to stay in your hair as potent as it was when you first, you know, colored your hair. But yeah, I mean, even though it has faded, it hasn't faded all the way. It kind of, I guess it kind of just melted into a natural color, because shortly after I got my hair colored, it looked a little unnatural. So it took me some time to kind of get used to it like that. But now that it's faded a little bit, it looks more natural, more, you know, to my hair tone. And it looks like a mixture of brown now. So yeah, it has faded a bit. I'm not too happy about that, because I really wanted, you know, the pop-in black for the summertime. And I'm not about to go put a whole new permanent hair color in my hair just to have it looking a certain type of way. So right now I am just embracing my hair, loving it still, but it's just not as black as it was before. I do have fun plans, guys, and you know, some of you may like it, some of you may not like it, but I do have some fun plans to try and, like, you know, have fun with my hair a little bit more in the summertime. So I found this like very Twinkie. I did find this method that you can color your hair without it damaging your hair. It completely washes right out. Once you wash your hair, it washes out. It doesn't even look like you colored it in the first place. So I am in the process of kind of doing my research with that. I want to experiment with some fun colors. I want to experiment with some fun colors. I've always wanted to do pink. I've always wanted to kind of do a little bit of purple, a little bit of red. So, I mean, you maybe see me looking all over the place in the summertime, but I love to experiment and have fun with my hair. And that's something that I've been pretty much preaching a lot on my channel, is have fun. You know, I can do this with a clear conscience, knowing that I'm not using ammonia on my hair, I'm not stripping it, but I'm using something very temporary on my hair just to have some fun, you know? So I will be doing it on camera. Of course I'll be doing it on camera with you guys, because I do everything on camera with you guys. But I'm excited and happy to do it because I know I'll have some fun, you know? Sometimes you kind of get stuck in a rut and you feel like you want to do something different, and you know, why not find a healthy way to try things out, do something new? So that's what I'm going to do, as opposed to combing out my locks before I want to get them combed out, or like bleaching my hair and stripping it again. And that's no shade to anybody who bleaches their hair, you know, to each his own, but I know my hair is fragile, and to strip it again would not be cool. I do want to dye it black again, but not this year. I already did it in the beginning of this year. I'll probably do it more towards next year, like the beginning of next year, as far as like retouching up the black hair color. But for now, I'm very, very grateful for what I've got, and I'm just embracing it and having fun with it. So yes guys, that is pretty much a whole update on how my hair color has been holding up. So many of you guys have reached out to me asking me questions about, well, how's it holding up? How's your hair? My hair is still in the same condition. It's just the color has faded out. So the health of my hair has not been compromised. I've been keeping on top of moisturizing my hair and giving it the TLC that it needs. But the color obviously is not super permanent like I thought it would be. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have if you were ever given an opportunity to color your hair, what would it be? What color would it be? I just want to know if you would do it. I'm just asking because, you know, it's fun. It's fun. It's a fun question, right? So comment down below a color that you would love to color your hair if you could, and if you would color your hair, if you would consider it, if you would not, and why. I would love to know. Let's continue the conversation down below. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're not, because I have a new video coming out tomorrow, and I'm so excited to push out these videos to you guys because I have lots of time on my hands. So let's go guys, let's go. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, bye.